Yeah, ne Quamina MP twetwenko. Quamina.
Boss.
Oba ben na unfair bi da.
I was happy. And I mean, aye.
One na obisa ho anade.
Oh, me mommy dey me a virgin. First of all, so as I come and crop for, what I say, we share penny we be 70, so I be almost. Because what's now 70, 80 years.
Foreigner, me nye biom. Foreigner, me nye biom. Foreigner, me nye biom. Foreigner interview, me nye biom. Me besides so oba ben on fair bi do, or say o virgin. Oh, the manager throw. Nana akwaba.
Ija.
Then ekoso. Na new one now or drop here na ekose.
High. Oh yeah. People they like high. Go feel high no pa.
People feel high.
Yeah, ekoso. Right now be me my favorite right now.
It be your favorite right now.
My favorite song right now.
What inspired the song High?
Oh, okay. So
because street you know so yeah, ekase obi aye high and I say obi aye yeah.
Na say be our chuchu man I say
visa. What chuchu dem?
Oh.
Nana minim. Nana debi on debi on our ball. Debi.
Obianim. Ya me can say we can actually be high on anything. Won't you say?
Debi mentia cheche mu.
Nti e bia betimi I say meti ha say my side. Ba me ti Onua FM. Wo bonyo me. I start here they me to some mood be mu. What you say? Yeah, that one alone be high like you bob. Like you're getting higher than where you were in like few minutes ago, you understand? So you can be high on food and alcohol, anything. So that was what I was talking about. So you see and say, I mean madam for your boy game.
Game there, motabo pa.
Your boy game anyway.
But yeah. Didi eta winimo.
Oh no, Didi Obwa. Didi. Oh Didi, you know score me. He scored me before, but
yeah. O winning kwan or the to the status.
Yes,
oh, okay.
Yeah, ti ebo game ni aji, no wine kakra ni ade. I'm saying no mood na me wo musisi ano. I want to put it inside the song.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm call or came in whole studio so that obi ambe worry me. Na me hear nyom no.
Nti wana obo beat no.
Yeah, me bo beat e bibia Charlie.
You did everything yourself.
Yes, so but the mixing and mastering was done by Manche Chills.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Ghana me Johnny Fifi. Me fi man kesim Ghana me share in John Accra. Yes, I got no.
Gotcha. So fi man kesim no.
Yes, so
na obe share in John Accra. Okay, so that is the beginning of your music journey.
Yeah.
Tell us the beginning of your music journey. Ni entia ma ofi man kesim eba Accra.
So things were very hard. Nami was school, Ghana Telecom, but Nami also, Nami also plus fees, school fees, nobody ye pa. So now my parents almost struggle kakra just to like be able to pay my school fees. And then this year, I said they're too hard. The last. Last between say no we dey mean to me.
Into church school no jai.
Let me check mama say, "Ma, pacho, sika na mo di tia fees, mo fan tour." Because sometimes they even have to like bobo and just to pay my fees. I'll be like, "Nah, my mom's stressing you. This is what I want to do." Me say, me share say me music career and so be far. Because I really believe that I'm very good at what I do.
Okay.
So I just need some chance make I try see. I want person my better ask so oh ko school ye person we school na say there it scan and ko be an complain here but me I dey see say dem dey struggle what I say na so be tia fees so me ko school na me share nsuana ma say konya di ni efa na I say if to scarego you understand so I was like so sana be there so munye ska mo fama me the better you make a video almost to say, hey, now I say when I walk catch and then Charlie, I say no, I have to do something about it. To me fifi without letting them know. I was in Accra, so they look for me for like 1 or 2 days, and I'm a friend because I say, "Ma, you are Accra, Mr. Madam for me, me born you to with there. Viviani, I'm Ellen Kill. Me, what shame, I'm my friend, ma. Try Tete Ghana, be a Tete. Yeah, think a crackers, and then Charlie, they started seeing me on TV. And they started getting proud of me, like Charlie. Okay, he knew what he was doing, so Charlie, yeah.
So, do you have plans of going back to school?
Oh, yeah. I was talking to someone a few days ago, and I was like, I wish I would go back to school. But if I go back to school, what are they go do? Like, which course are they go offer instance? And then, am I really ready to do it? You Bob.
Say, school there. Or can Ghana Telecom say you are geared towards IT. Yeah. And this Ejuma Oye, so I cast a one Obo BT. There is a bit of IT. But you can still do a sound engineering.
Lawyer,
With my lawyer,
my law, my doctor, BB. That's what I say.
So, what is stopping you?
Okay, so I feel like I'm not really like ready right now, like mentally and then all of that. Like I have a lot of responsibilities right now. I feel like if I'm in school right now, I better distract me kakra. And I feel like I have to be like some focused. What I say.
Now, what's your responsibilities? No, it be few here. Yes, I'm not
it will be there. It will be there, but a bit me equally kakra for some time. So I feel like that time should come so that I can be able to, focus and learn.
Why?
Oh no, me worry. I have a son. Hey, this is my first time saying this on air, seriously. But I mean, I post him on my Snapchat every time. So yeah.
Oh, okay. Why? Until you say, about, don't worry. And no back on Emma responsibility. No,
I mean, I haven't thought about our yet. Yeah, so, I need to be ready, Charlie. It should happen. I feel like I don't need to force myself to do something.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, said Mmere. So, what the American high? How is the high doing?
Well, high is doing great. High is a banger, actually. People they love them. Anybody where they hear high, they get high. Yeah. High is a very good one. Charlie Timonte high, me pabocho won't search HIGH Quamina MP.
How release here? Like how long?
I think it's been like a month now.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we worked on a video and I was saying Keba this week here. So me check my video director. I send him me upload it and then yeah, fast way.
Yeah. So high na yedi bro nya no.
Yeah.
Okay, yenko tie high no. Yaba na yaba be kan show no ho asem. Show no a free one.
Oh yeah, free show for everybody. For everybody. Baby I will be waiting pull you up akra mo na.
What the me enkomra because at work now nipa na was no one starting 4 p.m. When you sure say obi abetimi performing.
Obi abetimi.
So
yeah, we go show up
because I was starting at 4 p.m. Me the following day by 9 a.m.
Oh, by the following day 4 a.m. now.
So
yeah,
so
yeah, 4 p.m. to 4 a.m.
Okay, yenko tie Mmere. Quamina MP high. The chairman already on the on-tans are here or not the anchor here. Where we or better not microphone at you and we give you kakra camera but shouts to a man like James Clark. Nana,
bad man.
How would you describe the kind of songs you do?
Happy songs.
Happy songs.
Yeah, I actually do. Like different. Like I have different vibes.
No, I get it, but so obiti we are see there, not way I say they will try to put you obiti beat be similar and you way the Quamina MP.
I don't know. I just like to make songs where go make people dance. Happy songs, and you will be at least we be cool. Yeah, Charlie.
Into offer and say happy songs.
Yeah.
So when boy yes you cries or we happy songs. Okay. Now let's talk about the event. What's the name of the event?
Okay, so it's called Bongo Fest.
Bongo Fest.
Yeah, so the whole idea was like to do something to, you know, like may they share me papa in you understand?
Okay.
Like, yeah, may his soul rest in peace. So I call him Bongo. That be how we call him for house.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I feel say this be something I go do like almost every year. Yeah, just to, you know, like remind myself that Charlie, still have a hero.
Okay.
Yeah, I never go forget, you know. So this is Bongo Fest. Anybody where they come to, they come support us. You know, they come show love and then all of that.
How many artists now also?
Me, Nimpo, Amodoso.
Foreign and far a started.
So Papi Kojo is coming.
Okay.
Kwesiata is coming.
Okay.
To H, Kofi Mole. A lot actually. I think I have the list there. Kofi Kenata they come. Kofi Jamal they come. Familia they come. Drew. Medical. Kenata. My boy Kenata already. Darko Vibes. Sister Fia. Like anybody where you know say what about you like surprises day, yeah.
And aside that, also surprises.
Yeah, more surprises. We actually have like one or two people will be like like outside the country, maybe like UK artists where they perform as well.
To somewhere.
Oh no, any day. And I make us surprises, you know.
There be.
Yeah. I mean, very hard. Very hard. So you guys will pull up, come and support.
Date being right.
22nd. 22nd. That'll be like next week Thursday or something like that.
Yeah.
So you guys Charlie.
But why Thursday?
We just decided to like, you know, select the date.
Nah, Thursday, no.
Because I feel like these other days be like people might be busy for others, concerts and then all of that. So we actually look through the calendar way, like the dates we see, okay, something that happened this time. Okay, I think 22nd, we go do 22nd.
But Thursday, no one yet sure say. But say a man for Beko Juma. You say Ghana for complaining, say holidays in the doors when people don't even break for Christmas. And then they just celebrate the holidays.
And then CEO, the location, it is around Accra Mall. Yeah. So almost everybody they pass that area, they go house or where.
Yeah, they go this side.
Oh, quite the side. It's all before us.
Okay, me patch on my location here because okay around Accra Mall, WOHO and WOHO side WOHO.
There's this park in our roundabout.
Accra
Mall roundabout.
Roundabout I see honum. I say what they call a baby. Yes, spanner. Yes. Maybe a overpass.
Yes, I saw walk outside. So
it has a name.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Christmas Village.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, it has a name. Christmas Village. Yeah.
Yes, guys. I'm so sorry. I had to get this right. So Christmas Village, if you know that side, I saw walk spanner.
Yeah, they are chill because. Whoa.
Yeah,
education
so that's how
all the because one as I say with me and yom now that now foreign I ain't kind of so 22nd okay
number next week Thursday so you guys should pull up for us.
Okay,
let's have fun, you know, yan chile be what you say.
Okay,
bronya na start, you know,
bronya now na so nim say bronya so they a money akoko nam na inti obeche a money akoko nam.
Oh, a money akoko nam you na ekufie. Freeway because it's a free show, you understand?
How can the OG skank yenti?
No, but I actually want to like give back to the people.
No, but oye free show now and people are complaining of hardship in this
actually
system.
Yeah.
How do you make a free show?
So the ones where we go do like the small efforts where we go do with what we have for the people to, you know, have the chance to like go for concerts, because some like people definitely they charge a lot of money and then somebody go like come some concerts, see favorite artist or something, but kakra ni hunt, you know. So this is actually one way. And
Crawford now do on my personal oboni free and I mean and I say we also are giving back to society through you.
Yeah.
Into obi aboni free.
Yeah. Like you are showing love to the people. You know. So everybody jumping on the concerts knows this is what we are doing. We want to give back to the people, show some love. Yeah, you bob. Because the people are the then they listen to our songs, they do things you understand.
Yeah.
They bring we up there. So Charlie, so in a form of like appreciation, Charlie, everybody want to do we could support there for the people.
We could support there for the
for
people.
Bongo as well.
Okay, so where there, my main financial corner kakra.
Okay.
And your tight corner.
Oh no.
As they are doing it for you for free.
Yeah.
Does that mean say obi show even if it's ticketed na say offer wa obon free and I say because we down for intino what channel say mami free or na memra.
Okay, so if you were charging anything for the show, we would have to pay our people.
Okay.
Definitely. You bob. Yeah, but they understand the concept behind the concept.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what you want to do. So everybody be cool with it.
Okay,
you
but
bank ya jim crofoni sika there, they will not say sika na you know. This is what we are using the money for.
Okay.
Everybody for taking on. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
But artists be your honor or friend or chair and say, Nana, we the unia say na me you, but also still obeji do other.
Oh no. I mean, so we explain to the people, like our people, the artists, and then when him say, okay, this is what the guy is trying to do. Oh, Charlie, that's good. Let's show love. What I say. Plus, we also do same. Like me, if you call me that you are trying to do a free concert for your people, definitely I'll go pull up.
Okay.
Because so I feel like we all understand what we are doing. And then
so if it's not a free concert, do you charge them?
If it's not a free concert, it depends on how we communicate.
Okay.
Say, oh, okay, Charlie, me just say, oh, this is what I want us to do. But so about me, then me travel on your idea. Say. We just have like a good conversation, understand each other, and then, but because we all will be artists, we they need each other as well.
But
so.
me, I know be artist. So if I want make you come play my wedding, obey me say.
Oh, what do you say? When I pass out Billy, what the shall we call?
Oh, there be a question.
But when it comes to stuff like that,
yeah,
my manager handles it. But you personally, you be brother man. So we can, like I said, we have conversations and then work things out. If I come do for you for free, I go do it.
Into chat, me friend foreigner.
Yeah, friend.
Me friend foreigner. Friend, I get a new number. Not tete my brabo.
Oh no, but you like this, Charlie. Oh, sir. So if you do one for free, safe. It depends. We go feed one for you.
Okay. Now in 2 minutes.
And I don't be worried now.
In 2 minutes. Oh, a nyambo bomb by a month. A question I'm beside. Hey, in this, I mean to me about me when you're
okay. Congratulations in advance. Yeah.
Thank you in advance. In 2 minutes, invite people to your program.
Okay, so guys, this is your boy Quamina MP. Bye. Commenting the 2nd December, next week Thursday, we are having a concert, Bongo Fest. You guys for pull through just around Accra Mall, Christmas Village. Yes, that's the name, Christmas Village. So we need more. I was here on a roundabout South Park, and I was here on going down to the overhead. So you guys, Charlie, pull up. We could do this. Bongo forever, Bongo Fest.
Bongo forever, Bongo Fest. Intino say udu spanner.
Free. Ne here ne say obehye mpaboa a sha atare. Insio oh mu benya insio anom. Insio ye mema mu insio bibia wo bra fast way.
Insio ne free.
Yeah.
Free.
Yeah. So you guys will pull up, Charlie. For the people. Oh, yeah, Beshe. Yeah, Beshe.
Insio ne free.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
22nd.
DJs
Beneba.
Okay, so I have a couple of DJs. I have DJ Lord. I think a few. I've watched the list.
Yeah.
But you yourself, you come. Of course. So a couple of them, Charlie. All my DJ friends or them all go pull up. Charlie.
We go there.
Charlie.
Direction is a Usi was spanner. Spanner now wo fra ko Accra Mall space na wo left no. Oh space grass na wo left no. Ehonum obedu ho kra no ye design ho kama sia. Omode ayi Christmas niema bi design ye di bronya ohonum ntino odu honum a that is where the location is. Yes, we are friend Christmas Village. Accra Mall ase honum na obehu. So ofie ayi teman so na eba usi wo tete kwashi a obe cross it to Accra Mall na wasane ase wo ba spanner no yes e wo honum ase honum intino one baby awaya ho
and they are actually giving people the chance to be able to sell and stuff like vendors
okay.
So if you go like sell something, you go feel pull up and then when we side you I say balloon be I say omudija shemina fly yeah, those things all good there like from 4 p.m. they go, so we really go enjoy.
Yeah, the ejabe shemina ya kosoro but say ya be what sound go ma ya de beji ya ni osoro no.
Oh yeah,
and the choppings kakra and then ya me ebetimi ama ya high kakra ni na oso bi any say you be high na ejabe ho dia any fire service for pull up for them nana me follow on social media.
Okay Charlie, tomorrow when you Quamina MP Quamina_MP on Twitter, Quamina MP _ on Instagram, Facebook Quamina MP everywhere. Charlie, you guys, thanks for the support. Number 22nd will be expecting you guys. Love
if
you guys
you want
so
your songs,
yeah, so the songs are on all platforms: YouTube, Boomplay, iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, Audiomack, anywhere. Just type Quamina MP. You mean opening now?
Yeah, they're right.
Yeah, love.
Nah. Yeah, that's say a friend buy. Waba betche say a 22nd.
Yeah.
Bronya we nya baby an kokra o de ubo fish am ya banso a obema yin so anom ya dase pa nyame sha na show no so de ye be pull you up and we will keep talking about it. Send ye be ya amanfo so ebeba aba beta with. All right, Nana.
I appreciate it.
All right. Yeah, that's be brave. Yeah.